One thing that I regret not doing when I started trading as a beginner was not backtesting. I tried a lot of strategies, which most of the strategies I used when I was starting to trade was all trend based, and I believe most trend based strategies are profitable overall, are profitable. So, and what I was doing is, if I trade this strategy and if it stopped working, I would jump to another one, not realizing that, okay, this is the market condition currently. The market condition has switched. Only what I have to do is just to be patient with it and no go with the flow. Once the market recovers, I will start making profit. So in those downtimes that the market is not really that correct, it's not really going as expected, I'll just step out, all right? Which I didn't know that as at the time. So what I was doing was, once one stopped working, I looked for another thing. So, but had it been I back tested, I would have known all this. Um, so back testing was one of the things I regret doing. Not doing when I said I have the means, I have the opportunity to do it, but then I didn't have. And backtesting I mean here is like, okay, intentional backtesting, like going back 1 year time, 1 year period to look back and tell yourself, okay, I'm gonna backtest from 2023 to 2024. So 1 year period, get the results down, see if it's profitable. So most of the strategies I was trading in, I believe was profitable, but I never knew it was profitable. It will just work for me for 1 month, 2 months, and I will dump it because the market condition has switched a little bit for like 2, 3 weeks. I'll start looking for something else. But then, had it been I backtested, I would have seen all these gaps in those backtesting. I would have known, okay, I would have been aware of this. I would have been expecting all this to happen. All right. But then I didn't backtest. It's led me to jumping from one strategy to another. One of the things that I did this year, which is 2025, um, which is 3 years plus into my trading. I think June, July was when I started trading. So it made it 4 years. So 3.5 years ish. That was when I started taking backtesting very serious. And yeah, the results started proving itself, back to back results. And I have like, let's say, great proof that okay, backtesting works. So yeah, that's just one thing I regret not doing when I started training was backtesting, and backtesting for long and calculating, taking stock or taking statistics of my backtesting and using it to, as a data to know, okay, whether this thing works or not. All right. In as much as the future, what happens in the market in the future is not equal to what it will happen. What happened in the past is not equal to what will happen in the future. But however, what happened in the past can be a snippet of what will happen in the future. So yeah, that's it. Let me just quickly show you the gold trade I'm currently on and the account I'm trading. The account is somehow shaking, but let me just show you the gold I'm currently on and why I'm on the gold trade. So let me quickly share my screen. Here is the gold trade that I'm on currently. If you watch my last video, you see that I talked about these good clusters here, good clustering around here and here and here, and finally broke out of this trend line, which is what I was expecting. And yeah, it broke above this particular level there. I think this was the all-time high previously, and it went and created a new all-time high. So I jumped in right immediately. It broke above here. This is 1 hour time frame. Right across, immediately it broke out of the all-time high, closed above it. I quickly jumped in. And currently I'm on 4 is to reward. But though it's saying 1 is 5 here, that was my initial take, but I just reduced it. Currently it's floating 1 is to 2.9, 1 is to 3 risk to reward, which is a great risk to reward. So yeah, that's basically it. I'll just show you the account size currently on the screen, and you see that okay, it's just back and forth, back and forth. So yeah, I'm not afraid to take a loss because I know if I take one loss, if I take 4 loss, one trade will recover those losses. So yeah, and all these things I got to know all these things from back testing. All right, if you look back at my charts, you see a whole lot of stuff going on here that I don't delete. Most of all these past years are all back testing because yeah, why not back test? It will sharpen your edge and make you more profitable. So yeah, that's basically it. Make sure you subscribe, turn on the notification bell, and stay updated, and stay updated. That's it all. Peace.